Hello student, here we discuss normality is equal to molarity when n factor of acetic acid is 1. Okay, so one normal solution will be equal to 1 molar solution. This is the tip of the day. I am Veena Dikshit. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. All the best. You will get success, my child. Just practice, okay? Acetic acid has a dissociation constant. K equilibrium is equal to 1.8 into 10 raised to power minus 5. Calculate the pH value of the Deci normal solution of acetic acid. So here Deci normal means 1 by 10 n. 1 by 10 n means 0.1 n or 10 to power minus 1 n. These are three ways we can represent it. Okay, now we should know about it that acetic acid is only having one H positive replaceable, so n factor is 1, so normality is equal to molarity into n factor is 1, so normality is equal to molarity. So we can write down Deci molar normal solution equal to Deci molar solution. Okay, Deci molar acetic acid solution. So now K equilibrium is given, and K equilibrium for acetic acid is considered to be Ka. So is equal to 1.8 into 10 raised to power minus 5. So we will write down this equilibrium equation, that CH3COH when reacted with water, it will give you conjugate base CH3CO negative and hydronium ion. And initially they are 0,0 and concentration of acetic acid is given 0.1. I told you that it is 1 n solution, that is 0.1 m solution. So at equilibrium, suppose alpha, it is dissociated alpha. So alpha will be the acetate ion and hydronium ion, both of them are alpha. Alpha is degree of dissociation, means this much amount is dissociated into ions. So 0.1 m we have taken, but all of them are not dissociated, only alpha is dissociated. So when alpha is dissociated, so alpha, these two are obtained. So K equilibrium will be equal to concentration of molar concentration of this multiplied by molar concentration of hydronium ion, means product of conjugate base and hydronium ion will be divided by molar concentration of acetic acid. Then we will put the value. K is here given 1.8 into 10 raised to power minus 5 alpha square. Why I have written alpha square? Because both of the concentration same. CH3CO negative equal to sign I am putting, and the H3O1 positive. So alpha square directly I can write on divided by 0.1 alpha. Alpha is omitted because very small. Then you can calculate alpha. Alpha square is equal to this. So alpha will be under root of this. So alpha will be equal to 1.34 into 10 raised to power minus 3. And then pH we know how to